Alright, guys. So, this happened in March, and I'm going to share with you more crazy fraud. So, this letter came to the house, and this guy was soliciting because he found a advertisement, or searching the court records, he said, and this is for Macomb County. Now I'm going to show you again. Don't trust the court records in Michigan. So, when we got this letter, obviously we don't know who this guy is. I'll explain more because, I searched him up. So, we paid money for the court to send us a certified copy. And I wanted the whole complaint, but they sent, I guess, this is what they consider the complaint, which is about 3 pages out of 15. And it is reference number 2354941. And I'll scan a copy of this. I don't know, they wrote 18673 on there. But it's got my IP address and us paying for this complaint. So there's a record of that as well. Now, yeah. So we get this, and I have no idea who these people are, but like I said, I searched them. Now I'm going to share with you because it's quite interesting. So, this is the certified copy. Now, the first thing that you'll notice is this is Macomb County. And this lawyer is from Dearborn. And you could read more. And then, bam, right here. A resident of Macomb County, Dearborn, Michigan, and has resided in Michigan for more than 180 days, and Macomb County for more than 10 days immediately preceding the filing of this complaint. Firstly, Dearborn is in Wayne County, not Macomb. And I did send them an email, and they gave me an error message, but anyways, we know what Macomb, Wayne, Dearborn are. So, also, it says that they were married in February 1988, and they have been separated since 2014. I'm going to tell you why. I'm going to show you why. These are more fraud. Now, very interesting that this Monsurat is supposed to be employed at this place. And this guy doesn't say anything about his employment. Once again, I'm telling you folks, some high-level fraud going on. This is the whole complaint. Well, not the whole complaint, but the pages we received. That's the lawyer. That's supposedly this lady. That's what I have. So I went searching. And let's just do it real time. Because I want you to see for yourself. Oh, computer's a little slow. Real time, like I say. I think it's in Wayne County. Probate. So. You know, I search these people up. Wait till you find out. Wait till I share with you what I found out. So, now, let's find... What's the spelling for... And... Oh, I think I found him in Wayne County Circuit Court. Probate. Yeah, because I'm going to show you that this guy got a divorce. So, like I said, I search these people up. I got so much to share with you. Definitely going to be popping out these videos to let you not be a victim like me. And if you find out or learn that you are, you know, let me at least help you find the connections to the people who have done that. In real time, obviously, I have to do these videos because don't want these records changing anymore. Oh, for Pete's sake. Come on, Ganiu. I don't even know how to say his name. Now, this is him. And this is him getting a divorce. Now let's open this up. I want to show you in real time so you can find this out yourself. These are your tax dollars. And these people come to work to do this. My goodness. Oh, come on, open up. I have so much to show you. You don't want to show? Let's see. Another tab. Case ID. That's interesting. 1982631. I've already downloaded these, but I want to show you in real time. But you just don't want to let them open up. That's interesting. Might as well save this video. That's another one. Case ID 2009128. Yeah, the boys know. I'm on to this now. So here we go. This finally opens. You can see complaint, divorce, 1994. So he's in 1994 getting a divorce. Why are you lying? And the other one, I'll tell you why they're lying. So let's go back and we'll pop open this one. Oh, this is 1994. Where's our little 1995 one? Come on, man. Real time, folks. I'm telling you, real time. All kinds of computer issues, too. I had to make sure that backed up everything, burned everything to CDs, just in case something happens to my videos or anything. I always make copies on top of copies. So I've shown you this. Still waiting for that. Reload. Definitely interested in how I see this case ID. So glad I'm recording this live. Guess we're gonna wait for a minute till it shows up. Maybe I should use the Google browser. Let's let's go to Google. I have so many tabs open. I have so much to show you. Like I said, this, you wouldn't believe it unless you've seen it yourself. I never thought this was possible. Obviously it is. It looks like an H, but let's pick a better one. I already searched him here before. Ganiu. So, let's pop that open. Definitely taking a while. Let's see what that... Oh yeah, it says case ID over there. And that case ID. So, finally opened. This is the case number. Obviously, this guy is getting a divorce in 95, 94. I have no idea. He's got 2 cases. Case got reassigned. So maybe the guy's a bigamist, but I don't think so. Definitely, I'll tell you why. So we're back here again. Well, that's loading. So we got 1995, 1995. Why are you still rolling? So yeah, you know I searched these people. And we find an unpublished Court of Appeals. That's important there. So we find unpublished, which, yeah, you also have to look for unpublished opinions, because that's another way to hide stuff in Michigan, even though that's not the purpose of being unpublished, but unfortunately that's what happens. So in here, you'll read that this Ganiu Faronbi, right there, work in an intake, Woodland Correctional Facility, Mental Health Facility, Michigan Department of Corrections. Okay. I'm going to scroll through the whole thing for you so you'll be able to pause it and read it if you like. It's horrible. Like I said, I searched these people. Wait till you see what I found. Ugh. And how this factors in. So, definitely some crazy fraud. I mean, illegal. Forget being crazy, but definitely illegal. So, there's that. So then, like I showed you on this complaint for divorce with this chick who supposedly works at institute, or she's a director at this institute. So I went to searching her, and I find her as being a clinical case manager at Spectrum Human Services. Also, she's a clinical social worker, addiction, substance abuse, mental health counselor. And I'm like, that makes sense, because I'm supposedly on drugs, don't have any family, and that I think is definitely some fraud with our address, well, my brother's address. So I don't know if they were claiming that they lived at my brother's address, but obviously if this mail came for this guy here. And so I pulled up, went to Michigan Lara and pulled up the company's this is interesting. Wait till I tell you about this. You'll understand in a minute. So yeah, back to her. This is her. This is who that woman is. Let's get a better look at this woman. Then I found her Facebook. And that's her again. And well, I'm going to show you this. So, obviously, I love the internet. But let me get back to here. Now, this is another company called Gratitude House. This is some like adult daycare place. And there she is, a director of this adult daycare place. So, yeah, like I said, here's another year. So this is 2020, and this is 2021. Real time, folks. No edits. And that's her. Spectrum Human Services. She's some healthcare professional. That's Mr. Martinoff. So then, yeah, she's involved with a bunch of them. So I wound up searching, well, there's her Facebook again. This is that Spectrum Human Services that went from Pyramid Human Services to Michigan Human Services. I mean, yeah. Lots of people, lots of names, lots of three-card Monty. Search her here. More. So let me go back to showing you what I found. So I found this, and I'm like, okay, what is this? And you just scroll on down. I have no idea who these people are, but it's not good. It's definitely not good. I mean, this guy's talking about defrauding, all of it, but I'm going slow so you can see it. And then we have her. Oh, wait till you start reading. Biggest female baroness in the drug business. Wow. I don't know what name this is, but to me, that looks like her. Like her. That. So let's go back and finish reading. It's quite interesting. The base is out in Chicago. I'll explain the Chicago and Detroit and, like I said, trafficking and all kinds of stuff. And these people are working with other people in our government, giving themselves immunity, forging records, creating companies, threatening people, and a whole lot more. So I just want you to see this. Supposedly she died in 2019. Maybe she is dead and someone's using her identity. I have no idea. If that would be the case, then the lawyer filing a divorce for them would be him stealing her identity. All I know is what I can find. They may have stolen her identity, may have put her as a worker. I have no idea if she exists or not. But they may have stolen her identity, created a Facebook for her. Because, like I said, I'm going to get into a lot more that's where all of Peter Schneiderman's companies come into play. Yeah, he likes to create companies, which I believe, creating fictitious telephone numbers and businesses, and no doubt using those phone numbers for fraud. I'm 100% sure he's using the phone numbers for fraud, because I'll show you how me and other members of my family are listed with the same phone number. And I'm pretty sure that when it's traced back, it'll come back to Peter Schneiderman's fake companies. Because I called those numbers and it's out of service. So yeah, this lady, and this social worker ID number, it's her. Again, maybe her identity is stolen. I mean, that looks like a passport or a mugshot to me. I don't know. But I definitely believe that this lady's name, social worker or identification number, has definitely been used for Medicaid fraud. Like I said, I'm trying to get rid of that Medicaid off, but that social worker wants to keep it open, obviously for fraudulent purposes, and this is why. So there's no doubt billing going on, and like I said, Gratitude House is an adult daycare place. Let me show you. Gratitude House, Detroit. Same address. Adult daycare. I mean, no offense to the people that do need this, but I mean, I laugh because it's like the fraud is never ending with these people. And I'm going to get into it with more videos to show you guys. So, once again, thank you for watching. God bless and be safe.